If you've ever tried to cook a proper meal with a dull, cheap knife, you know how frustrating it gets. Uneven cuts, slipping blades, and prep time that feels twice as long as it should be. And honestly, that's usually the reason people stop enjoying cooking at home. So today, we're taking a close look at the Imarku 7-inch Santoku chef knife, a budget-friendly Japanese-style kitchen knife that promises professional-level sharpness without the intimidating price tag. It's designed for home cooks, beginners upgrading their tools, and even experienced users who want a reliable daily knife that just works. Right out of the box, this knife makes a good first impression. It has that clean, minimalist look you expect from a Santoku, with a slightly shorter, wider blade that feels balanced in hand. The blade itself has a subtle shine, not overly polished, but enough to feel refined. The handle is made from pakkawood, which looks like traditional wood, but feels more stable and less prone to cracking. When you grip it, there's a comfortable weight, not too heavy, not too light, and it sits naturally in your hand without forcing your wrist into awkward angles. That's one of those things you don't notice immediately, but after a few minutes of chopping, it makes a real difference. In everyday use, the sharpness is the first thing you'll notice. This knife comes genuinely sharp out of the box, not just sharp for a budget knife, but actually capable of clean, precise cuts. Vegetables slice smoothly without resistance. Meats cut cleanly without tearing, and even softer ingredients like tomatoes don't get crushed. The hollow edge design also helps here. Those small indentations along the blade reduce sticking, so you're not constantly stopping to peel slices off the knife. It keeps your workflow moving, which is especially helpful when you're prepping multiple ingredients. What makes this knife practical for daily cooking is how versatile it is. You can chop onions, dice vegetables, slice chicken, or mince herbs without switching tools. The 7-inch size hits a sweet spot. It's large enough for serious prep work, but still manageable if you're not used to handling bigger chef knives. And because it's not overly heavy, it doesn't tire your hand out during longer cooking sessions. Maintenance is also pretty straightforward. It's made from high-carbon stainless steel, which means it holds its edge well, but still needs basic care. You want to hand wash it and dry it after use, rather than tossing it in the dishwasher. It's not high maintenance, but it does reward a little bit of attention. And if you keep it honed, it should stay sharp for a good amount of time before needing a full sharpening. Now, to keep things honest, there are a few trade-offs. While the blade is sharp and reliable, it's not on the same level as premium, high-end Japanese knives that cost several times more. You might notice it loses its razor edge a bit faster with heavy use, especially if you're cutting tougher ingredients regularly. The handle, while comfortable, doesn't have the same refined finish you'd get on luxury knives, but at this price point, that's expected. Compared to other knives in this range, especially generic stainless steel kitchen knives, this one stands out for its sharpness and thoughtful design. Many cheaper knives either come dull or don't hold an edge well, which defeats the purpose entirely. On the other hand, if you look at more expensive Santoku knives, you'll find better steel and longer edge retention, but you're also paying significantly more. This sits in that middle ground where performance meets affordability in a way that feels practical. So, who is this knife really for? If you're upgrading from basic kitchen knives and want something that makes cooking easier and more enjoyable, this is a solid choice. It's also great for home cooks who want a reliable all-purpose knife without overthinking it. But if you're a professional chef or someone chasing ultra-premium performance, you might want to invest in a higher-end option. At the end of the day, this knife does something simple but important. It removes friction from cooking. It makes prep faster, smoother, and a lot more satisfying. And that alone can change how often you actually want to step into the kitchen. If you want to check it out, you'll find a link in the description with the latest price. And if this helped you decide, consider liking the video and subscribing for more honest reviews that focus on what actually matters in real life.